everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen again. I have a haul for you guys from Joann's and also from Dollar Tree. I had to go to Joann's because I needed to pick up some fabric for my daughter. My daughter is into making over dolls. She will purchase inexpensive Monster High dolls. I think it's Ever After dolls. They're the dolls that have the bigger faces, and she will literally take the hair, like cut the hair off, repaint the face. It's amazing what she does with them. I can't even believe she can repaint the face the way she wants it. And anyway, now she wants to create clothing for them too. She's very, very creative. So anyway, I did get some fat quarters, and in case you guys are interested, at Joann's, when I went there today, it's $5 for $5 on the fat quarters, and she wanted just some solid colors, so I did get her white. This is just the solid white fat quarter, and in case you guys don't know what a fat quarter is, it's 18-inch by 21-inch piece of fabric, and these are all 100% cotton. I got her the black. I got her pink because she wanted pink, and I think this one's ballet pink. Then I got her the light pink, which doesn't look that light to me, but it says light pink on it. She wanted some lavender. This one is actually called Iris, which looks like lavender, but this is the lavender. This one's a little bit lighter. So this is the lavender, and then I went ahead and got her some fun colors like this yellow, this turquoise. Is this turquoise? No, mint green, I'm sorry. And then I got her turquoise, and then brown, because she needed a specific brown. And this was the only brown I could find for her. So I did get that, and that was $10 for all of those fat quarters. And then I always look for their loose papers. I always go there to get loose papers. But they also had in the very front, they had a rack of clearance items, and I found this, and it's this white, they call it foil, but it looks holographic to me. And it was 97 cents, so I don't know how much it is regularly. It's a little, that doesn't seem clearance to me, but it's American craft, so it is going to be a little more expensive. But it is, yeah, it's holographic, and it's nice, and like the backing is kind of glossy, so the reason I got it is because I'm thinking this will look nice with my seashells. I can cut seashells out of these using my new seashell dies that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm also thinking, because it's smooth and glossy, I'm thinking I could even use my Copics on these. So we'll see if I want to change up the color, like make it pink or peach. But that's basically why I got it. So these were 97 cents each. These other ones are less expensive because these were 50% off, and this one is regularly, I want to say like 79 cents regularly. And so they were 20, what? That can't be right. Yeah, the white, this one's called white glove, I guess. Is that right? White gloves. And these were regularly 79 cents. I got them for 20 cents. Wow, okay. So these were 20 cents each. No kidding. Really? That's what it says. Yeah, so I got, these were 20 cents each. So anyway, I haven't gotten the white one before, so that was a new color. But I always get this one, and this one is called Blue Diamonds. And this is Darice, actually. It says Darice. So I do love these. I thought these were, what is that called? Gosh, I cannot think of it. It's like a specific Joann's brand too. But anyway, I like these because they're double-sided. And so when I make bows, I like using these. So I got it in purple, and I've gotten these colors before. Usually the blue and the purple is the one I usually get. This one is Elegance. Oh, Coordinations is what I was thinking these were, because they do have Coordinations ones too that kind of look like that, I thought. This I thought would be pretty for my, you know, that Stargazer paper, you know, for constellations. This would be a pretty black midnight sky background. This is called Black Tie. Love that. And then I got the pink. And I've gotten this before too. And I couldn't find, usually I want to say these come in bigger sizes, like the 12 by 12. This is called Stiletto, but I couldn't find them. So, and then I got this. It's so pretty. I could not help it. I was mesmerized by this paper. And this is Coordinations. There you go. See, I thought these were Coordinations, but I guess not. These are the Coordinations. These are American Crafts. And this is called Sparkling Water. But oh my gosh, I love it. I fell in love with the colors and I had to have it. And this one's a little more expensive because it is 12 by 12. And these were $1.29, but I got them for 64 cents. 64 cents on that one. Okay, and then, so those are basically the papers. The Joann's that I go to near me, they don't have a very good scrapbooking section. They have like a lot of loose papers, but they don't have like paper pads and things like that. So, which is just as well, because I would have gotten in trouble getting more paper. But I really needed those. Okay, and then I did get some tulle. These were on clearance. They were in the front. Again, I don't know if these are really clearance prices. I don't know. But this was $2.97, and I've been meaning to get some more tulle. So this is like a polka dot flocked tulle. So I got that one. I got it in this cream color. I also got the glitter one, so this one here, and I think I've bought this before. $2.97 for this one too, and then this pretty, this is like super bright. I don't even know. Oh, there's the regular price, $4.99. So yeah, that's what I thought. I thought these are $5, but that is not clearance price. $2.97? Is that how much I really paid for it? Yeah, no, they were $2.97. Okay. So yeah. And then, so that wasn't that great a deal, but I wanted them. I was there. And then these were a really good deal because I got some pendants, and again, so that when I do like use that Stargazer paper, I like the moon. Look at this, you guys. And this was $3.99, and it was 50% off, so I got it for $1.99 each. So I love that this already comes, you know, pre-made. Well, what I plan on doing is just putting little stars on the bottom of these. And so I got 2 of those, and it already has the little clasp on top, the lobster clasp, so I like that idea. And this is a Hildy and Joe. And then this was a good pack too, and this was also $3.99, and so I got it for $1.99. And I love this. And here are the stars, and so I'm thinking of putting these stars here. So we'll see about that. And then I got 2 packs of those too. So I thought that was a good deal. So This was $8 for all of this. And then I think that's all I got at Joann's. Okay, and then I was at Dollar Tree on my way back home. I went to Dollar Tree, so I did get some non-crafty things like candy. I got this one for my son. My husband likes Mr. Goodbar, and I never find Mr. Goodbar at the Dollar Tree, so I got 2 of them for him. Snickers is my favorite, and then Sour Patch Watermelon is a really good one too, and Genevieve and I usually share that. So I got that for her. I also got, again, non-crafty, but I needed to get some more of these. So these were bath puffs, and they're $1. And so I got one for my son, for my daughter, and one for me. That's for the bathroom. I had to get like bath rugs and everything, so I'm kind of changing everything in the bathroom. And then I found these. So these are really cute. They had like a couple of more, but it had goo on it, and I think one of the lotions next to it was open. So I did get this one, really cute, and I've seen somebody haul this before. And I found this really cute purple one, and oh shoot, look at that. See, there's goo on this one. I didn't even realize it. Oh no! Hopefully I can wash that off. But it's so pretty. I love this pretty purple. I just love it. It's so pretty, and it's just like the one my BFF gave me. She gave me a pink one along with my TN. And then I picked these up. I think I've seen, who was it? Was it Marissa, I think, haul this? And I've seen it before, but now I really needed it. So I went back for these, and I got 2. I got this mint one and then this purple. And the reason I got it is because my wallet right now that I'm using, it doesn't have the little coin section. It doesn't have a little, yeah, zippered coin section, which drives me nuts. So I have to put my coin like in my bag, just like in one of the side pockets, and I really needed this, so I thought, okay, I'll just grab a couple. Then I got this stretch lace. I liked the colors. I thought they were really pretty, and I thought my daughter might be able to use these as well, so I went ahead and picked that up. So and then lastly, from the Dollar Tree, I actually found glitter paper at that particular Dollar Tree that I was at. And these are adhesive backs. So that's pretty cool. And I do like the colors. The green one's kind of bright, but I do like the purple and that. So I did grab that one. And then the other color that I got, because I really wanted this pink one, were these. And I like the lemon yellow too, so... And I think this is kind of an orangey color. But I had never seen this at my Dollar Tree, so never mind, I'm not going to open it. So I did grab those 2. And then I found this unicorn bag. And I think I've seen somebody haul this. I don't know if it was Mimi. So I grabbed a couple of them because they're just so cute. And yeah. So I grabbed 2 of those, and then I just grabbed this tote, just because I wanted to just carry everything all together, and bought this tote, and I thought this one would be fun for summer anyway. And you know, my daughter's going to be probably swimming a lot this summer, so I thought, you know, she can put her wet clothes in here. So that's why I got that. So that is my haul for today, and I do have another online haul that I will be sharing with you guys in maybe tomorrow. So and then I'll share some projects. So thanks so much. I hope everyone's having a wonderful long weekend, and yay, we're off tomorrow, so one more day for the kids. Actually, I'm not back until Wednesday, so very long weekend for me, so I love it. So thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.